Dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, well, we all got a little Woody in me. And shit, Wall Street Pete, you already know you have a friend in me. Sick dough in crypto. Nobody does the show the way I do. This is my radio show. And you got a friend in me. You got a friend indeed. Yeah. Sickto crypto, stick with me, yo. Newbie 4 weeks later, you'll be like Clint Eastwood, yeah. Stick 'em up, Wall Street Pete, have a seat with me. You got a friend in me. Pay attention what we talk about all day long, yeah. Wall Street Pete, Sickto Crypto. Thought you'd know. Some of the memes here I was going over was laughing. It was a little funny here. I thought I'd share with you. What's up, everybody? RJ Crypto Scarface. What up? It was a little funny there. Got rid of it. There you go. Real funny, right? When you give someone crypto advice, but you got to finish with, I don't know, though, because in case it ruins their life. I was dying. Ain't that the truth, right? Somebody who don't know what's going on. My motivation levels are low. My energy levels are low. My grades, they're low. My Bitcoin expectations, well, we know Snoop, he is high as a motherfucker. So I guess that's that meme. And if this ain't real, steal all the women, poor ladies, because it's a really big deal. 99% of the men watch my channel. He's probably thinking of other girls. And then actually us right now, if I spend $10 at this point, 0.00007, and if it goes up like 3 cents, shit, I can make like over fucking 4K. Even if it's only 1 cent, I'll take it. And this is the world we live in now. And if you don't wake up and you don't see this stuff, it's crazy because this is where we're living. It's getting big. I'm ahead to grab a PSL from stuff. Yeah, I know you are. Hopefully it doesn't take 30 minutes. But hey, if we go for 30 minutes, you have some entertainment. What's better meme than to trigger the pros on a day when S&P drops 500, 1%? But the S&P 500 drops 1%, but the price of Dogecoin gains 10%. Oh, God. Well, here we are, done with the jokes, done with the playing games. This is the crypto real world. Come to you just for fun, right? We do this stuff. We like to have fun. We like to have some positivity. It's Tuesday. It's a long week away. It's going to be 90 degrees all week long. So let the sun bake and run. This is a shake and bake. You are getting nervous, right? 208 now. 2.08 as the price will continue to fall. I said the danger zone if you watched my last video. Sickto in crypto. And if you know, please hit the like and subscribe because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. And yes, we are going soon. I want you to understand what's up, Jackson. This is not the danger zone where we're at. I believe we're getting some cheap prices. I believe Ethereum is actually on the cheap. But if I do remember a price for Ethereum, and let me just go bounce back to it really quick. If you do see, we are creating new higher lows. So that's something to definitely pay attention to. Don't be fooled by that. That's real, and that's something I want to pay attention to there. As this is garbage, get rid of that. But if you see this slope here, we are coming down, getting a little support. I believe we will see support at the lowest price of 32,115. If you wanted to get some Ethereum and maybe buy some, I wouldn't be opposed to the 32,115. I do remember us being somewhere around 32.90, and that was a problem. So I wonder if that's where we hit the resistance. No, we didn't. Let's see the candles. Nope. 33.43, so nothing significant there. But what I wanted to say, my main excitement is that we're getting a healthy correction here on the daily. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin. And when I come through, some of y'all don't understand that this is still a bull market. This is still a bull trend. Going in the upward projection here. I want to do the Fibonacci sequence and show you where I see, and this is the daily, so I don't want to do that. Here we go. This is perfect. So we got a nice 4 hourly for you. Grab the Fibonacci. We're going to do something a little different here and go from here to here and see what we grabbed. All right. So the 6.18, as I'm coming down here because we're looking, I can see the 47.98. So the 48,000 level being touched, but see, we're still away from the danger zone. So that's kind of something you have to pay attention to for sure. What am I talking about? Well, This is the sequence of the Fibonacci, and the $48,000 level can take us and be successfully bullish. Pay attention to that as I pull this down and show you here. I believe we're on the up, back uppity up, and Ethereum's done nothing but shown me that. So we'll go gray for there. That's Fibonacci sequence. It's a pretty strong level there. I do see that as a possibility. We can fall all the way down to the 47.3. If we fall down to the 47.3 and we bounce up immediately, then wonderful. We're good. That's wonderful. If we don't, which I already have a danger zone, and we don't, we got a fucking problem. So that's one of the things I've been telling you about. Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto. These are downward M's, and we could get the double bottom M, which is what I'm going to show you next. This is the big possibility. Don't be fearful. Don't take your money out. If you really are just buying recently, don't do that to yourself. You're going to just take this ride and look what's going to happen. What's going to happen, right? We get another fake up. This is the next candle, fake up. There, we think we're good. And then what's going to happen? Another friggin' M. Take us to the 48,000. I'm hoping this is the worst case scenario. And then that's where we're just going to, I think this time we bang through. If somebody wants to know what I'm talking about here, this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the resistance that we're going to continue to hit here. Not much here, but I think that we may actually get this. We may actually get this upward momentum. This is going to be tested, and I think we're going to get there. So that's going to be our next move. We will break through, which will take us to the 56,000, something that I've been speaking about, preaching about for a little bit here. There it is, 56. Do we get to the 57, 58? I'm not sure yet. It's up to the whales. We talked about 57.5 being the cap. Hopefully on this trend now looking inverted head and shoulders pattern I seen forming on an Ethereum level. Could be happening here if you see it. Starting right there. I don't want to circle it. You know what? Here, circle it so you can see it. There it is. Inverted coming up through with another shoulder. Boom. All the way up to the 50 something I told you. So it's a big possibility after you get rid of this mess here. If you really see it, it's coming. But this is the downward M's that could be possibly coming too. So if we're hitting the rock bottom, you're going to find out soon. 6 minutes? 6 minutes and we get the 12 o'clock candle. Wow, we should just hang out here, huh? Make this a 15-minute video. Definitely should do that. Pay attention to the global market cap. It's not going to run everything, but it is going to tell you some things here. So we'll go over some coins while we're trying to kill that time to see what's going on there. Cardano, $8.5 billion, strong. Ethereum, well, a little weak, letting the whales come in, right? Seems to be under the 20 billion. Bitcoin at the 35, almost hitting $1 trillion market cap. Very strong, 6% almost up on the week. All right, no big deal, right? Not a big deal that we're in the red on the 24 hours. We're going to have some type of a pullback, some type of healthy movement here, right? We can't just go up, 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 up. Then there'll be something really dangerous coming. So we don't want that. So healthy correction is always good. Cardano, down 7% in the last 24 hours. It was up to like 296. We've seen that. Now trading currently, if we look, Cardano 269, hurting some people's pockets. I explained to you that there were some things that could be happening. What do I see on Cardano? Well, I see a strong level here at the Cardano level, the 250. And if you pay attention to my upward trend line, as it's pretty accurate here, there's a big possibility that you see that before you get that next dip up, J-like substance, and you've seen it here, so why wouldn't it happen here? Well, history repeats itself. It's not long history, but Cardano, I may throw this in the title because this is something to pay attention to, coming back up to the maybe 311. I told a lot of people I'd be taking profits at the $3. Well, we never actually reached it. We hit $2.96, $2.97, depending on what chart platform you were looking on. That's something to pay attention to. As I see here, coming down for the 250 possible. Well, maybe not so 250. There's too much money funneling in. So maybe we do see something similar to, and I'm trying to get there. Excuse me just a second. 258. So we're almost there. So, I mean, really, this looks pretty good, actually. 256, 258, somewhere along those lines. The money's funneling too hard. The volume's coming in too hard for it to be really that low. We could be done now. I'm just letting you know. That's the one case scenario, and then here's the two. Here's the second one. I always give you two, and that's the most likely one that we should be done pretty shortly here, and we should be back on the up and up. that's going to be up to the whales. But that's Cardano for you. A lot of people have Cardano, so I figured I'd run that over while we're sitting here waiting for the next 4 hourly candle, as we have 4 minutes left for the next candle here, because this candle's been a nightmare. And what do I expect? Well, I'm going to surprise a couple people, and that's, even the experts, I think they're saying that we're done. I don't think they're experts. I get bored and I watch some of their videos and I think they suck. And I'm talking about the guys that have 100,000 followers. I'm talking about guys that have 300K followers. I'm not impressed with some of their shit. Right here, I think we're coming back down. We're going to do another M. They don't see it, but maybe I do. I'm pretty sure that we're going to see this on Bitcoin coming. The next candle will maybe come through more. It looks like it could touch to 48. A lot of people said that the bottom was here. 48.34 there, somewhere along those lines. I believe that 48,000 may take us through. What's there? Well, not much. So it's kind of scary because if we don't stop falling from this momentum here, as I said, danger, danger, danger. Yes, there'll be some danger. That'll be a big problem. So don't be alarmed if the next candle actually on the 4 hourly, which is a big 4 hourly candle. This is from 8 o'clock Eastern time. And if you want to take a quick peek, we'll do that really quick. Let's see. Go here. I'll go to Bitcoin. I'll get rid of all the shit. And I want to show you something because this is kind of scary. See how we're coming down through the RSI level? The RSI level here is showing me that I've been down here a couple times. And every time I've got here, I've gotten some significant support on my RSI. So that's why I think that's not why. This is another indicator telling me why we're going to 48K. I'm pretty excited actually now that I've just seen this. The rest of the wick down, right? Why don't we just do purple, right? Since it's purple. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. And I need as much help on the algorithm as possible. But look at that. That's going to be something to pay attention to there. We keep touching August 5th, August 4th as we started this upward momentum on the RSI level. That's something to pay attention to a few times, even here, 17th, the 19th, and now we haven't been there in a while, so why not be here again, right? Pump back up from there, which will take us to the 48,000 level. I'm actually confident now. Oh, wow. It got rid of all my TA. You suck. It must have saved it literally as I deleted it. You suck for real. Let's see if I can go back. How many back can I go? Yeah, back until it's saved. Oh, there we go. We got it back. Cool. So I really didn't want to lose any of that because some of these levels were telling me some things here I went over yesterday. But that's what I wanted to talk to you about. You got to pay attention to. This is why I came live for you. We're beating kind of a dead horse at the moment, but if you look on the 4 hourly, we're still coming down. We still need to hit to a little bit more until we get to the 48, and then whatever everything else is at, you should be buying because the altcoins are going to move with it. They're dramatically falling. 267 for Cardano. Chainlink below, it was going to $29. It's now 26.5. Even Engine 214, 217, flirting, right? Doing great. We're going to take profits at 244 around there. We talked about that. We talked about taking profits at 219. We did. We got it. What did we talk about on my show here? We got to just go over it really quick. We're doing like Wall Street Pete, Fast Talk Money. Solana's coming down, giving people a nice little break. BNB going to 510. That's on sale. $40, $50 sale per. You have 10 of them, well, that's fucking $500 that you're down if you had 10. I know because I had 10. You round off the 10 numbers. Dash, I've been talking about Dash for a little bit. I did like that. That was one of them. Harmony Token. Between Harmony Token and Mana and HBAR. These are some ones. HBAR I bought at 23.4, 23.7 the cents. So 23 cents, 0.4, whatever you want to call it. 23.5 cents. That's about more precise than what I bought it at. Went for a ride. It's looking pretty strong. Even Harmony Token. Harmony Token now. This is a coin. This is a token you want to take. Pay attention. This is really, really, really important. The Harmony Token is going to fucking really wake you up. What I say here, 38% to pullback on the whales. We were over here taking profits. There's going to be a time we're going to do this again. 13 cents. I want you to understand that there's a time on Harmony Token that it was at the 13-cent level and you needed to take profits. Well, guess what? History is coming back, Jack. I don't know if you understand. History repeats itself, and if you see, we already tested this level, so it's already showing 12, almost 12.5 is a problem already. Come back through 4 hourly we're looking at, and repeats itself. The history is what I'm telling you. This is Harmony Token. Some people may not be interested in the peer-to-peer network. It's very, very, very wonderful network. It's strong. It's going to have levels where you have not seen yet. I don't even believe, what's the price level? 20 cents, I thought? Yeah, okay. 22 and a half. And right now that's on sale. If you ask me, that's on sale. What is it going to fall down to, since we just talked about Bitcoin falling a little more? And look at the next candle. If I wasn't correct, I can't stand you. We're starting to curl up, though. See the 4-hourly curling? It's trying to stop. It's trying to stop. So what we're going to do here is stop right there, 10.6, 10.5. That's where you're going to see Harmony Token. And if you have a couple extra bucks, then I'm jealous as hell, because I wish I had a couple extra bucks, because I don't right now. And right there at 10.6, 10 and a half, you'll be able to buy some more Harmony. And if it goes even lower, then dollar cost average into it. Don't cry to me. I'm not a registered financial advisor. Do your own research, do your own homework. But as you see naturally on this line down here on the bottom, I told you, well, if you look at the 4-hourly, it's already starting to stop falling there. Go to the more frequently, and it's down at the bottom. So every hourly, which is telling me, it's almost time to buy. It may be time now. And that's probably the bottom. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you, ladies and gentlemen. So you got to pay attention, definitely, to mention, as we go back to Bitcoin really quick, because I want to see what's going on this little stupid mess I made, and we're going to conclude this. That could be the bottom of your M. We're not receiving another double bottom. Is that confirmed? No. When it's confirmed, it will be confirmed at this price. What price is that, Pete? 49.3. If you want the confirmation of a breakthrough that we're going to retest 51, then that is your number, 49.305. If you see that price bounce back up and we're there, we'll have a bull party. If we break through. Okay? So put that in your calendar, put that in your pipe, and smoke it. Do what you got to do. Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. I thought you'd know. This is just a gentleman who used to work on the trading floor. If you're interested in making Sicto in crypto, we do this for entertainment purposes only. This man worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Could you imagine wearing a mask in this bullshit? I couldn't. It would be nuts. I used to sweat my ass off running around the trading floor, trying to find out if a trade was good, trying to talk to the other side of the trade, talk to my brokers, whatever you may have to do. Look at the screens here. Some of this was Chinese to people. All up here was all Chinese. You didn't know what any of this stuff was. It's pretty wild. That's the world we live in. Let's do something for fun. I actually want to do something. If anyone's interested, you don't have to stay for this. This is not TA. This is going to be my life. This is basically what I lived. And Robert Downey Jr. Everybody knows who Robert Downey Jr. is, right? He visited the trading floor once. Oh, look, there's Ilio. He visited the trading floor once. This is where I worked, if anyone was curious. Top Gun, I just know that man. Very good man. I know a couple guys, Barry. I just go over this, but this is amazing. This is where I used to work. Robert Downey Jr., miserable prick, at this moment. There's Gene. That's where I worked. And he said we were money hungry, shit talking, crazy animal. It's hilarious. But that's where we worked. It was a crazy place. We were screaming, yelling, pushing people. Buy, sell. People don't understand. That's the open outcry. That's real. That was before you sat on your phone like a fat lazy ass and bought Bitcoin. You understand me? It was an open outcry. Created the market. It's what created it. It's what created the up and down momentum, the movements. That's the real market right there, ladies and gentlemen. So as Bitcoin got the new candle, if anyone was interested, we waited. We went over 6 minutes of waiting. We're receiving a green candle. Something to pay attention to. Are we going to receive the fake double bottom M pattern. We have to pay attention to those levels. As I said, 48,000 would be the bottom. Well, it's starting to look like that's the case. Did we touch it? No. It's probably a good thing. Let's see where we go from here. If we don't get the fake out, we'll hit the 49.3. I thought that was a cool video. Robert Downey Jr., when he was young, visited before he became huge into Iron Man and all that stuff. And he visited and thought we were fucking obnoxious. I wasn't even there then, right? I was a little tyke then. But I was on that trading floor, worked with a lot of those people. It was pretty cool to see them in their younger years. But pay attention to the levels as we spoke about. Matic is now under $1.50. Got to be on sale. This is all on sale shopping right now, and I may change the title to on sale shopping. We're going to get some weak ass candles here, so pay attention. Definitely to mention there may be another double pattern. If you are buying the dip, make sure you dollar cost average in. Very important. So have a wonderful day. We're gonna have a good day. La di da da. Ain't no one gotta die today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Wall Street Pete, sick though, in crypto. Thanks for your support. Love everybody. Hit the like. Thank you for hitting the like button. It doesn't take much. Please hit the bell notifications when we go live, and you need to know what's going on with the market. Right now, it's a shopping spree. So dollar cost average in. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as you may get hurt. It's a very high volatile market, but you do know when it's in the crypto up, sick dough, we're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Have a great night. Hope to see you one more time tonight. Take care. Justin, it's been a minute, brother. It's good to see you on here. Hit that rewind one more time and see what we talked about. Did a couple of memes, made you laugh today. It's Tuesday. It feels like a Monday. Tune in, tune out. Love y'all. Peace in and peace out. We'll be back tonight, hopefully one last time. It could be a late video, so stay up and let's see what we do here. Hopefully not a double M pattern. If we do, I'll be here for you. Sick though in crypto.